Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today I'm here to talk to you about Ripple XRP. We're going to be breaking Ripple and XRP down today from a technical analysis perspective. A little bit of fundamental perspective going in there as well. Some news on why XRP is behaving the way it is behaving, and then we're going to basically be diving deep into the chart and looking at some price predictions and some new trades here, because I'm going to review the trade that we got into last week, and hopefully you guys took note of that and made some lovely gains. Okay, so Ripple granted an extra 14 days to avoid missing key SEC appeal deadline. Okay, and as you can see, Jack the Rippler here, boom, the court has not received the acknowledgement and notice of appearance on the due date, October the 18th. So basically that gives them a little bit more time to basically come up with their stuff for this current appeal with the SEC. And one thing here that everyone is sort of watching here, that Ripple's scenario against the SEC is closely being watched by the cryptocurrency market. Besides the appeal, the SEC is appealing the decision that said XRP sales on public exchanges here are not securities. They're not securities. If the SEC wins its appeal, other digital currency companies could face more regulatory challenges. All right, so we know this thing's been going on for so long now, years in fact. So hopefully we can kind of tie the knot with this thing and get it all done. And if so, we will see some very nice price action here for XRP. Now let's go into CMC and let's look at what we're seeing here. So the market cap for XRP right now currently hovering at around 30 billion. Okay, currently hovering at around that area, 29.9 to be exact, with a B. Love to see it. And you can see over the last sort of 7 days, we've seen a 3% decline for XRP, which is surprising considering Bitcoin. Okay, and the last month we've seen actually an 11% decline since we did see a nice high back in September, I do believe. Yeah, the last month. So yeah, unfortunately we are seeing a bit of a decline for XRP right now, but this is probably due to cases like this from the SEC hammering that price down. So let's get into the chart and let's look at some price predictions here. Before we do that, guys, just go check out Crypto All Stars. It's basically the first ever meme vault, and what this is, what they've done, they've created sort of a system where everyone who collects meme coins can now stake their meme coins inside of their meme vault. So basically you can earn passive income through your meme coin portfolio. This has been featured in Techopedia, Bitcoin.com, Crypto Potato, Crypto News, of course, Bitcoin Magazine, and CoinGape as well. So yeah, they are in a pre-sale phase. $2.7 million has been raised so far. They're looking to launch fairly soon. You don't want to miss out on it. You can get involved. All the links are in the description, and you can also make a lot of money through staking rewards as well. They're actually offering like a 6.6x on your investment here through the staking rewards. So definitely something to go check out. I'll leave the links in the description for you there. Now jumping to the XRP chart, guys, because I want to talk to you about the position that we spoke about. I think it was late last week we spoke about this. Okay, we had a nice 1.5 to 1 here to the upside, basically bouncing off this lovely pinnacle area. Okay, and what do you know, we got that in perfectly. Really clean trade, worth roughly around 8.72%. Not too bad at all, but we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about how can we be making more money now. Okay, so let's we are on the macro here. And you can see, obviously, we are seeing a bit of downside here for XRP. And this does give me sort of an inclination for another little bit of a move, right? So if we are looking at everything here and we're weighing up all the possibilities, you can see clearly that this 4-hour volume-weighted ATR band is reactive with this asset, to say the least. Here on the daily, you can see very clean bounces, to say the least. Okay, really nice and strong here. Now, we've bounced on this 3 times. All right, we've bounced on this 3 times. You can see momentum was really strong, getting weaker, getting a bit weaker. We're likely to see a little bit now. It's probably gonna come down and test this 12-hour one, right? So what I would really be looking out for here is potentially a dump in the market. If the market does sort of take a pullback, or there's an update with the Ripple case or something like that, then this asset will crash. Okay, it will crash to around 12. Crash down around 12%, but the buy zone, the next real important pinnacle profitable buy zone for XRP would be this area, okay, around the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement, the volume weighted ATR band on the 12-hour, and basically I'd play the bounce between the 4-hour and the 12-hour there. Seems pretty easy, okay, but we've got to get there first, okay? So set your alerts, obviously do your own do your own research. This isn't financial advice, all that good stuff there. Now, if we are looking at this on more of the broader picture, I know XRP's chart is considerably different to a lot of other coins out there, just due to it behaving differently, due to a lot of fundamental factors like the SEC and just general news coverage, and obviously banks use these for international transfers across the world, right? So we are looking at usually different TA to the rest of the market. Now, what do we see here? We see a nice big giant falling wedge. Falling wedges tend to usually break to the upside, guys. You can see the resistance on the top side from this falling wedge. You can see the support on the lower side from this falling wedge. Okay, this creates this lovely area where we're all bouncing in between. This, as I said, these tend to usually break to the upside. That's sort of what we're looking out for here. 24% potentially on the cards. We've got our lovely take profits all the way staggered in, waiting for the activation of this position. And if that does happen, we're looking for an entry, just breaking the 0.32 Fibonacci retracement, obviously, and also breaking this this wedge to the upside as well. Looking for around 24%, could even run up to around 61%, but in a safe scenario, 23-24% is where we're very likely to get rejected. If you are looking at horizontals and candle body closes, pinnacle points, you can see big resistance from this area. It's quite likely that we're going to come back all the way to entry. So let's take our profit there and let's look for another retest later on. That is going to be it from me in terms of XRP. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm very intrigued. And also, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section of Crypto All Stars as well. Great little project here. I think these guys have they've really nailed it in terms of a niche and an ecosystem that is going to really work here. And you can see the pre-sale speaks for itself. They've already raised $2.7 million. They're looking for 2.8. I'd say just don't miss out on this bad boy, guys. Go check it out. All the links in the description. There's a lot of meat on the bone there for you guys to go review. That is going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out. Drop it a like if you found some value. I'll catch you in the next one.